restaurant.
Okay, happy birthday, Aching Adi. Madeline and I baked this cake. It's a red velvet cake. It looks dark.
It's a
Black velvet cake yata yan eh.
big-bake yan eh. Kala ba't binake na? Agnes?
Look, ba't atin niya pang... Ini wrestling ng kain. Wala na kanyan.
Pato maglasing ka to niya, oh. Sige, bisaya pa. Bisa kang inuman.
Celebrate tayong 50th birthday ng Achingagi.
We're celebrating your birthday, Agnes. Oh, ita. Cheers ka ta pa. Minum ta pa mo. Ate, minum ka ta pa. Cheers for you.
Okay,
Agnes,
okay, mag-greetings ka kaya.
happy birthday, Agnes. It's really a joy to
Dapat pala tayo, namanda ka pa.
knowing you. Have a
For how many
wonderful
years?
birthday. Tinulo ko ata, wawa. Oh, sige.
Ilan yung years kayong...
Ha?
Ilan ng years?
1994, yeah, 1992 yata. So, yeah.
So, Achingagi, 1992, is only 28 years old.
Yeah, Ching Agnes is probably 52 years old.
No, 22 years old yan.
Yeah, so go. Peka makeup ko pa mo.
Okay, serious na ka.
Ika na pa.
Iri na ako.
Tara na.